Industry 4.0 automation has the power to transform site efficiency, bringing predictive maintenance, automation, and greater control to remote operations. A data-driven approach means better resource allocation and minimizes unexpected disruptions. Industry 4.0 enhancements increase operational efficiency and productivity. But only if crossing borders or moving off-grid doesn't bring your operation to a standstill. Remote location shouldn't mean remote connectivity problems, or involve complicated infrastructure, slow implementation, delayed payback and production. Ground control satellite solutions are designed to bridge the gap for remote sites, offering reliable connectivity wherever you need it. With satellite networking and devices designed to weather uninhabitable terrain or challenging conditions. Global connectivity, low latency, satellite coverage with 4G LTE least cost routing keeps all your data connected over the most available network, minimizing cost, maximizing efficiency. We provide the software, equipment, insight, telemetry, and live GPS mapping, driving productivity and peace of mind. A rapidly deployed solution for remote tracking and data monitoring from your desktop, laptop, or device. Providing interface and connection options that support a diverse range of sensors and remote asset connections, simplifying your data integration and driving interoperability with existing systems, putting you firmly in control and your remote operation back on track. Join the Industry 4.0 revolution with satellite tracking and IoT, and contact our friendly technical support team for a platform demonstration. Ground control, we've got you covered.